In this video, I will show you how to fix if the Minecraft launcher is not downloading from the Microsoft Store. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got the Microsoft Store open. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually close down the store. And then what you want to do from your desktop is come down to the toolbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and go ahead and type store. What should happen is Microsoft Store should now come up underneath Best Match. At this point, what you want to do is right click onto the Microsoft Store and then come and click onto App Settings. Now, what that's going to do is take you into a window like this. And from this window, what you need to do is first of all scroll down until you see an option for Terminate. Now, what it's going to do once you press Terminate is completely close this down to stop it from running in the background. And once you've done that, you want to come down a bit more to the Reset section and click the Reset button. Now, what it's going to do is completely reset the Microsoft Store app. Generally, this will fix the problem. Don't worry, as nothing does get deleted, so any purchases you have made through the Microsoft Store will still be there. But once you've done that and you've clicked reset, the final step you're going to want to do is come up and click onto repair. Now, after you've completed those steps, what you want to do is go ahead, close down your settings and just simply restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store again and see if you're able to download the Minecraft launcher. So if for any reason the Minecraft launcher would still not download, the final thing you can do is if you come out of the Microsoft Store, and what you want to do is actually download the launcher from the official Minecraft website. So to do that, open up a new internet browser, come across to the official website, which is minecraft.net, and from the homepage, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see an option to get Minecraft. So you want to give this a click, and then from there you'll be able to go ahead and download the launcher onto your PC. So that's how to fix Minecraft launcher not downloading from Microsoft Store. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.